Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag CouchDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure CouchDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to installation for that, and this will guide you through the installing and configuring Apache CouchDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, including web UI access, that is a Fauxton and CLI usage. So your steps, your setup will be there. So we need one server. Server is the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. My server is running with the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on VMware workstation. So I'm going to access the server via SSH tool. You can use any of SSH tool. SSH DPT my user 192.168.136.128. So this will be the IP address in my case. Sudo su. So I have logged in with the server. So what is the CouchDB? So Apache CouchDB is the open source NoSQL database that uses JSON to store the data and HTTP for an API and MapReduce for queries. It's ideal for the web apps, replication and distributed system. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So first step is that we'll just update system packages. For the update system packages, command is that sudo apt update sudo apt upgrade -y. So we'll run this command. This will update and upgrade the system packages. So after that, we'll move for the install dependencies. So install the required packages. So this is the required packages. This curl, apt transport, HTTP, and GNU PG we need. So we'll install these things. So let me run this one. So this one is completed. Again, we are updating and installing the curl. Curl already we have installed. This one also installed this. So we can move this total part to here, or we don't want this part. So now add the Apache CouchDB GPG key. So run this command. So done. Now then update the system. So now everything is updated. Now we are going to install the CouchDB. So sudo apt installs CouchDB -y. So installation is started. So while installing, we'll just configure the CouchDB setup. During the installation and configuration window will appear. Choose the standalone mode for a single node setup, and bind address will use 00000, and admin username admin password is admin@123. So it will appear after completing this one. So installation is going on. Approximately 90% is completed. Yes. So configuration CouchDB. So click on OK, standalone, and cookie name. So giving Chirag cookie. Okay. The bind address is 0.0.0.0. Then CouchDB admin user, password for the admin user, admin@123. Again, repeat the password, admin@123. So done. If the setup doesn't appear, then you can change it into this file. So this is the configuration file. You can change it and you can go further. Now we're moving to step 6, the enable and start the CouchDB service. So enable means whenever the system will reboot, the back service will automatically start. For that, we are just giving the enable package. Now start and status also is showing the active and running. So we have done this one. Now allow the firewall. So CouchDB uses the 5984 port. So we'll allow this one. So allow is done. Now we'll move to the step 8 and we'll just access through the web UI. Just copy this line 59484. Just now we have allowed from the firewall. Now I'm going to open this. So log into CouchDB, enter your username and password. So we need the username. We have a username admin and admin at the rate 123. So click on enter. You have entered to the database. We don't have any database. Then welcome to the CouchDB. You want to configure the cluster, configure the standalone. We'll just next video you will go through these things. All task configuration. We have given the bind is equal to 0.0.0.0. So you can able to see all the things. Replication DB activity, load news, and documentation. CouchDB on documentation is there. Verify CouchDB installation. And if you want to change the password, then you can change password from here. So all the things are there. So verify the CLI. So we'll check with the this. So here you can able to see CouchDB welcome version using the 3.5.0 Git SSA UID and features access read only partitions and other things are there. The Apache Software Foundation, the name is there. So we expect this one. So we are getting this. Check the remote system. So you can run this command. So at the rate is just assume as a percentage of 40. So we'll run this command instead of above one. We run this one. So here you can able to see all the details are coming. We can able to access this. Now create a database via CLI. So testDB we are giving the name and we are creating this one using the CLI. So run this command and status is okay. Now go to this page and just reload this one. Here you can able to see there is a CouchDB is created. Mean test database which we have just now created. The database is created here. So check the databases. You can run this command. It will show you the all the databases. Just so testDB is there. So we can able to see the database. So add a document. We will add a document on this. So document is added. Now we'll go to this page and just click here. One document is created. So there is a Chirag, DBA and all the things are there. Just now we have created this one. So Chirag role is DBA. So retrieve the document. You can retrieve the document using this command. So with using the command line also you can retrieve all the things. So name is Chirag, role is DBA. So you're getting the document. You can go through the ID. So this is the ID FE88. So this is the ID. We're getting the data. So setup is done. So access the CouchDB shell using the CouchDB user. So to check log as a manual operation, you can go like this. Logs are available on the, we have moved to the CouchDB user. Then You can check the logs. So these are the logs, user and SRC, the details are there. You can go through the logs. So log file path is this one. Now enable the CouchDB on startup. For the startup, you can run this command sudo systemctl enable CouchDB. Whenever the system will reboot, automatically the CouchDB will restart. Run with the root user. So sudo user. So we are able to access. Now verify the summary. We have a summary for the checking this one status. We can run this command. We have a web UI access. We can run this URL and CLI test. We can run the HTTP 127.0.0.1594884 is the CouchDB database port number. So JSON welcome message. You can create DB, you can test DB will be created. So for that, okay, true, it will come. So summary of this one, install the CouchDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, configure the admin user, and password is admin@123. Enable remote access, we are putting the bind address is 0.0.0.0. Access via UI, so HTTP and IP address and port number we have to provide and underscore utils and access via CLI curl command. So we have done this one. So disclaimer is there. You can connect me with the social links. There is a YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook is there. You can connect with the group, WhatsApp group. So this is the WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is this one. You can go through this. Follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Thank you.